A special project that's essential in the DeFi ecosystem has raised investment capital of up to $10 million. Uplink is the project we want to introduce to you. Welcome back to Crypto Airdrop. Today, we will analyze the project and guide you on how to participate in the Uplink DeFi airdrop. What is Uplink? Uplink is a DePIN protocol that develops a decentralized wireless network model. The platform provides connectivity infrastructure, allowing users anywhere to access the internet at a low cost, even in areas with limited access. Uplink was created to solve issues faced by traditional internet service providers, such as high infrastructure costs and geographic limitations. The platform focuses on enterprise-level customers to meet their needs for high capacity, continuous, and stable transmission. How Uplink works. Uplink provides a decentralized network connection with the goal of reducing dependence on traditional telecommunications providers. At Uplink, anyone can contribute connectivity to the platform and benefit from the system. The main participants in the Uplink model include providers, enterprises, consumers, and users. Provider, an entity that supplies connectivity services and shares network resources with the platform. In the Uplink context, providers are typically traditional telecommunications companies that share a portion of their bandwidth, broadcast stations, and infrastructure to extend Uplink's coverage. Through sharing connections, providers receive rewards. Enterprise, organizations and companies that use Uplink's connectivity services. The connectivity solutions are tailored to meet each enterprise's unique requirements, including geographical location, bandwidth, usage time, etc. Consumer, individuals who can access Uplink's connectivity services. Consumers can choose a plan that suits their usage needs and financial capability. User, users contribute to Uplink in various ways, such as staking ULX tokens to operate the network and earn rewards, holding ULX tokens, and voting on network decisions. In summary, the Uplink operational model functions as follows. Uplink operates by utilizing network resources shared by providers, which can be individuals or organizations. They contribute connectivity infrastructure, such as internet connections, transmitters, antennas, etc., to the system. In return, they receive rewards from the Uplink network. Subsequently, users or enterprises can access and use internet services at reasonable costs and high speeds. All network activities are managed in a decentralized manner, ensuring transparency and security for users. Hunting for Uplink Airdrop. Uplink is currently running a points program based on user contributions to the network. These points can be converted into tokens when the project holds an airdrop in the future. The process for participating in the Uplink Airdrop is as follows. Step 1. Access the following link provided in the description section of this video. Register on the platform using your Gmail. Then, select Pre-register your router. Step 2. Enter your personal information on the platform: first name, last name, and country of residence. Then, provide the required information from your personal modem or Wi-Fi router, such as router MAC address, router manufacturer. Look for the model number to find the name. For example, with PON ONTI gate GW020H, the manufacturer is VNPT Technology. Router model. Enter the model number. Type of coverage. Select indoor if used indoors. Step 3. After completing the required information, take a screenshot as proof and complete the task on Zeely. Step 4. Complete social tasks such as following Uplink's X Twitter account, following Bonus Block, joining the Bonus Block Discord, liking and retweeting X posts, following the CEO of Uplink, joining the Discord channel, etc. Some notes when hunting for Uplink Airdrop. Carefully check your router's information before registering to ensure the device is verified and points are accurately assigned. The sooner you register, the higher your chances of earning points. What is Uplink's token? According to available information, Uplink's token is the ULX token, with a total supply of 1.000.000.000. The ULX token is used in the following cases: staking rewards, transaction fees on the network, governance voting for protocol changes. Further details about the tokenomics have not yet been disclosed by the project. Project team. Uplink was founded in 2016 with a team that has many years of experience in the telecommunications technology field. Specifically, Carlos Lay, co-founder and CEO of Uplink. He previously held a leadership position at the software company EU Top 50. Andre Francisco, CTO and co-founder of Uplink. Before Uplink, he served as co-founder at Wink. Uplink investors and partners. On April 11th, 2024, Uplink announced that it successfully raised $10 million. Framework Ventures led this funding round. In terms of partners, Uplink has collaborated with companies such as Ericsson, Deutsche Telekom, and E.ON. Most of these companies are in the telecommunications technology field, sharing the common goal of realizing the project's vision. We have just analyzed and guided you on participating in the Uplink Project Airdrop. We wish you success and hope you earn well from the project. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive more fantastic projects. Thank you very much.